Are you wondering why your home doesn't look as impressive as you'd like? Perhaps you're making some common interior design mistakes. Today, we're going to explore the 10 common missteps that could be making your home look less than its best. We'll delve into everything, from the overuse of shiny materials to the lack of personal touches that can make all the difference. So sit back and prepare to transform your living space. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we provide practical insights to help you create a more beautiful and comfortable living space. The first reason your home might look cheap is the overuse of shiny materials. Shiny materials, particularly faux gold or silver accents, can create a gaudy display that screams inexpensive. Rather than opting for glitz and glam, consider swapping out these shiny pieces for items with matte finishes. Matte finishes exude a sense of elegance and sophistication without trying too hard. So next time you're shopping for home decor, steer clear of the shiny aisle and opt for understated elegance instead. Remember, less is more when it comes to shiny materials. The second reason is clutter. Ever notice how a cluttered space feels chaotic and messy? That's because clutter distracts the eye, making your home appear less put together than it actually is. If your countertops are brimming with knickknacks and every corner is filled with odds and ends, your home might start to look more like a yard sale than a serene shelter. So, roll up your sleeves and start decluttering. Organizing your belongings not only enhances your home's aesthetics, but also creates a more welcoming space. Remember, a well-organized home is a beautiful home. The third reason is poor lighting. Have you ever walked into a room and just felt it was uninviting? That's often due to poor lighting. Spaces with inadequate lighting can come across as drab and cheap. But fret not. There's a simple fix. A blend of natural and artificial light sources can dramatically improve the ambience of your home. Try implementing a mix of overhead lights, table lamps, and some sunlight for a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Remember, proper lighting can transform a room from drab to fab. The fourth reason is the overuse of trends. It's easy to get swept up in the latest interior design fads, but remember, today's trend can quickly become tomorrow's outdated look. When you follow every trend, your home can start to look like a showroom, lacking in personality and warmth. And more often than not, these trends fade, leaving your home looking cheap and dated. So, what's the solution? Well, it's simple. Choose timeless designs. Opt for furnishings and decor that have stood the test of time, pieces that you love, and that speak to you. In the end, it's about creating a home that feels uniquely yours, not a carbon copy of a magazine spread. Choose designs that will stand the test of time. The fifth reason is mismatched furniture. A hodgepodge of furniture styles can disrupt the harmony of a room, making it feel less like a unified space and more like a random assortment of pieces. It's like a choir singing in different keys. It just doesn't sound right. To prevent this, consider investing in cohesive furniture sets. They don't have to be identical, but they should share common elements like color, material, or style. Harmonious furniture sets create a more pulled-together look. The sixth reason is neglected walls. It's surprising how often this is overlooked, but bare or poorly decorated walls can really detract from the overall feel of your home. They can create an atmosphere that screams cheap and uninviting. To combat this, consider adorning your walls with tasteful art or even a fresh coat of paint. Remember, it's not about filling every inch of space, but about creating a balanced and harmonious look. Well-decorated walls can elevate the overall look of your home. The seventh reason is poor quality accessories. While it might be tempting to cut corners and save a few bucks, cheap accessories can stick out like a sore thumb, detracting from the overall look and feel of your space. Instead, consider investing in quality accessories that add value and charm to your home. From elegant vases and unique art pieces to stylish throw pillows and rich textiles, these items can elevate your home's aesthetic immensely. Remember, it's not about quantity, but quality. Quality accessories can add a touch of class to your home. The eighth reason is the lack of rugs. Rugs, you see, are not just for covering floors. They are the unsung heroes of interior design. They can add warmth, depth, and character to any room in your home. A well-chosen rug can anchor the furniture in a room, define spaces, and create a more comfortable, welcoming atmosphere. Investing in quality rugs can truly elevate the look of your home, transforming a cheap-looking space into a stylish, well-curated abode. Rugs can add a touch of sophistication to any room. The ninth reason is the wrong paint colors. Picture this, a room that's a riot of colors that clash with each other, or a home that's painted in hues that are outdated or unappealing. It can make your space look cheap and uninviting. The trick here is to choose colors that complement your furniture and accessories, not compete with them. Instead of going for that neon green, maybe consider a soft sage. The right paint color can make a world of difference. The 10th and final reason is the lack of a personal touch. A home without personal touches can feel rather bland, even cheap. It's like a book without a story, a song without a melody, and that's where your personal items come into play. Family photos, souvenirs from your travels, or even your favorite books can make your home more unique and inviting. These elements add layers to your home's narrative, infusing it with warmth and character. After all, your home should reflect your personality and taste. These are the 10 common reasons why your home may look cheap. We've explored how the overuse of shiny materials, clutter, poor lighting, and following trends blindly can detract from your home's aesthetic. We've also discussed how mismatched furniture, neglected walls, low-quality accessories, lack of rugs, wrong paint colors, and lack of a personal touch can all contribute to a less-than-ideal home environment. Remember, avoiding these interior design mistakes can significantly elevate your home's appearance. What are your thoughts on these points? Share your opinions in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more insightful videos like this.